In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add and edit page titles for your Canva website project. First, open your Canva website, and then open the Notes section by selecting the Notes button. Then, click inside the Note input area to begin adding important context or reminders for each page. Now, type your notes and edit them as needed to document details about your design or specific page content. Next, check the character count to manage your note length and move on to editing your page titles for better organization. Update the title field by entering a clear page title like About Me, so each section of your website is easily identified. Once you've finished entering the title and description for the second page, move on to the third page. The third page is the work page, so first enter the page title, then add the page description. When adding comments or notes, click into the input field to keep your project organized with helpful text. Edit page content as needed, refining the text to match your vision or instructions. Now, select the home page item to focus your changes and add notes that describe what each page should include. Finally, use the text fields to make your titles or descriptions more engaging and informative for site visitors. You've learned how to add and edit page titles in Canva. Happy designing!